Hi, I'm Santina with WTI. If you are looking for a compelling, great read, you may want to check out The Last Thing He Told Me by Laura Dave. I really enjoyed reading this book. It has elements of mystery, lots of twists and turns, and it really kept me very engaged. As you can see, the way it's printed has lots of line spacing, so I found it easy on the eyes. For me, this was an easy, fast read that was a real page turner. I also think this could be a great option for a book club. The characters are very interesting and there's lots of things that you find out about them as the story develops, which I think could make great conversation topics for your book club. So overall, I just really enjoyed this book, and I think if you're looking for a great modern story, you would love it as well. And that's my point of view.